Hey friend, I'm back. It's Simply T again, and I'm very excited to share my latest guilty purchase of the week with you. Now, if you saw my last video where I installed and reviewed the kinky curly undetectable HD lace wig from this hair company, you know, I was made a solid believer. So if you want to know what I think and how I like to install HD lace wigs, especially for smaller heads, and a longer lasting install, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get into it. So I did go ahead and take the wig out the pack just so I could get a feel for it. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was gonna do a whole customization segment and, you know, bleach the knots with you and pluck with you. But you know what, if I was blown away by the quality of the lace and the condition of the wig with my last purchase, I don't know what to tell you now, because this thing is literally pre-plucked, pre-bleached. As you can see with the knots at the bottom of the lace, everything is already ready to go straight out the pack. I did bleach the knots the last time on the wig that I purchased from them, but it looks like they just keep improving every time I go back and get something else off the site. So this wig is a 13x4 HD lace wig. Now, there are a lot of companies that claim to have HD lace wigs out here. And if you're a wig lover like me, there are some times where you look at what you purchase on the screen, and then when it gets to you, it's transparent lace or it's really thin lace. But this stuff so far is pretty good. This thing is ready to go. So it looks like it's going to save me so much time. And it also means that I found yet another perfectly beginner friendly wig for all of my beginner friends out there who are just like me, getting into wigs and trying to learn how to kind of get into it. Yeah, I don't really have to do anything at all. I did go ahead and adjust the straps while I was sitting here playing around with the wig. It comes with a comb in the back, and you've got your standard 3 combs right here on the inside of the cap, just in case you don't feel like going too crazy with glue or laying it down or anything like that and you want to plop it on. This thing is plucked to perfection. So I'm going to be doing a straight out of the pack wig install. I don't usually do that with human hair wigs. I like to personalize them, but just for the sake of testing it out straight out the pack, I'm going to do that with you right now. It's an ear-to-ear lace frontal. When I saw it on the website, it was styled bone straight with a middle part in it. And, you know, I've been going crazy with the colors. So let me just come on back home and just do something classic and sleek and just, you know, chill a little bit. You can't go wrong with a bone straight style with a middle part. Like, that's just... you know, you can always get the perfect look with that style. So let's test that out. One thing I want to add before trying this wig on that I forgot to tell you guys, most of the LuvMe hair wigs that I've purchased or tried on come with this really cool feature right here where they kind of build in these extra security snaps, and it comes with an elastic band with hooks on it, so that way you don't have to worry about sewing it on. You can, it's optional depending on the size of your head. For somebody like me, if I'm going to wear this wig and I don't feel like using any glue, or, you know, I just want to plop it on and go, this is going to be the perfect thing that I can add to it. So I just wanted to show this to you guys for another reason why I consider this very beginner friendly. It's these 2 snaps right here, and you would just take it and latch these straps on right into the inside of this wig for your instant elastic band. and all of your snug fit needs. Let me come up real close so you can see this pre-plucked hairline. Now, usually I would go in and pluck it just a little bit more, but I realize that the longer you wear a frontal wig or any lace wig, is going to kind of reduce or recede at the hairline naturally with all the combing and brushing and manipulation that we do to our wig units. If I do glue it down and I still feel like it's a little too bulky for me, I will go ahead and add a little yang yang to it, but I want to kind of leave it as is, you know. I did add my cream foundation at the bottom, and I'm just measuring it on my head, kind of seeing where I want to hurry up and cut. So I'm tucking it behind my ears. Okay, so I just kind of glued down my wig. I'm glad I did not pluck the lace because I don't know if you can see from this distance, it is shaping up pretty well. I haven't even cut the lace yet, and do you see this? This is crazy. and this is what it looks like so far. Like, HD lace wigs have a tendency to buckle up or wrinkle up, especially on smaller heads because the lace is so thin. So this step is super duper important. Just make sure that I take my elastic band here and try to adhere the lace into the glue much further.